Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about the news of cryptocurrencies from cointelegraph.com. The opportunities and risks of metaverse for small business. The benefit outweigh the risks when it comes to the adoption of metaverse for small business. The metaverse has become one of the biggest buzzwords in the blockchain and crypto as its promise to provide a more immersive, interactive, and collaborative experience than what the internet has encompassed to death. This promise of a new world has hugged enterprises like Meta, formerly known as Facebook, investing hard sums in the budding space. When most hear the name Metaverse, their mind wanders to a few things: an avenue for global conglomerates to showcase their technology forwards, ban an esoteric product for a selected few to display non-fungible token, or a new front in gaming development. However, a deep dive into metaverse reveals a whole new world, a world full of new opportunities and risks for both consumer and business. Throughout the current metaverse ecosystem might be populated with giant corporations essential for wider adoption. Small business will have to make a transition, looking at historical patterns in the adoption of new technology like the internet, mobile payment, and more. It's apparent that small business play a monumental role in getting the mass on board. One of the critical insights from Facebook Connect 2021 was that the advent of metaverse is imminent, but the timeline for widespread adoption is spread out at least over the decade. A study done by Pew Research found that around 54% of top technology innovators, developers, and business. Meanwhile, policy leaders believe that by 2040, the metaverse will be a functioning aspect of daily life for a half billion or more people globally. The urgency for transitioning to metaverse may not be immediate, but business should be considering the technology at least in the periphery. By strategically using your resources now, an enterprise will be able to improve the experience for customers on the future. To understand what opportunities and risks metaverse bring to a business, it is imperative to understand the infrastructure of metaverse. John Riddell, CIO of 3D gaming company Binable, category 7 layer. 1. Infrastructure. Layer is the semiconductor materials chains, cloud computing, and rail communication network that enable the construction of the layer on over it. Human interface. 2. Human interface. The human interface layer refers to the hardware that will be used to access the metaverse. This includes everything from mobile device to VR headset. 3. Decentralization. Build everything on a permissionless, distributed, and democratic structure. And 4. Spatial computing. This layer refers to the software that brings objects into 3D and allow the hardware interface to interact. So, I think until hear from me, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.